Chex, and Cheerios, Oreos, but not pantyhose. Yeah. Test. All right. Yeah, nah, shot taller than I shot way up to the stars. Going past wrong, through the Milky Way. So I'm here today to talk about honesty, integrity, courage, and being truthful. That's what you see. I like those flutes. You guys can play those later for us. Those are cool. Sweet. Start April. Good to go. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Good to see you. So last month, I was here. Do you guys remember what I was talking about? What was it? Diversity. Diversity. The month before, bullying. Cyberbullying. Yeah, you're right. Good job. Today, I'm here to talk about truthfulness. Okay? Truthfulness. A couple weeks back, it's a true story. There was a 5th grader. And he was throwing a bunch of rocks about this size. Rocks about this size at the side of his school building. He was trying to break that bell, like you know, like when it dismisses you guys, like when you arrive and the bell goes off. He was trying to break that. And all of a sudden, the principal saw him through the window. And he runs out there, he's like, "What are you doing? What are you doing?" And the kid's like, "What? I wasn't doing anything." He's like, "Don't tell me you weren't doing anything. I just saw you throwing these rocks at the building." And he's like, "Well, I didn't think anybody was watching. I didn't think that I would get caught." Now, let me ask you guys this. Does it make it right if you don't get caught to still do something like that? No. And when we're talking about being truthful, being honest, having the courage, the common sense, and the integrity, where what you say matches what you do, your words match your actions, to have that means that you have to have character. And true character, guys, true character. It's not what people see when they're watching you. I can watch you all right now and make some judgments about you, about how your character is. If you're listening, if you're paying attention, if you're being respectful. But true character is what you're doing when nobody's watching you. When you have the opportunity to not be honest and not be truthful, but you still make the right decision. And you still are honest and truthful. That's true integrity. That's true character. Okay? I need some volunteers. All right, let's get, you. Right, come up. And you right here, come on. In the jersey. Pink in the back. Blue, back there. Blue. Right there, come on up. Yeah, you're right here, come on. In the Michigan, come on, Michigan. Come on up. Yeah, you're right. Go through. Okay. Over here. Yeah, come on. Look right there, and you too. All right, come on. Here, all right, let's go. Come on, hey, come over here. Over there. Over here. All right, here we go. Come on. Good job. All right, listen. Here's the deal. Come over here, guys. Come over here. Peace sign means that we gotta, okay? So we get through some of this. Now listen, guys. Here's the situation, okay? Here's the situation. What's your name? Mustafa. Okay. So you stay over here. Mustafa's over here. What's your name? Hamza. Okay, you come over here. All right, here we go. So listen, here's the situation. Mustafa, he's a new kid in school, okay? He just moved here, all right? So he hasn't made a lot of friends yet, okay? Now, him and Hamza are kicking it, they're having a good time. They're like, "Hey, let's be friends," right? Say, "Hey, let's be friends."
Hey, let's be friends.
And you say, "Okay, cool." All right, good. So these guys are friends, right? Now, Hamza goes back to his crew, okay? His home team over here. So all these guys, you guys can kind of circle up here. And he goes back to them. And all you guys are going to go to the movies. Now, what movie are you going to go see? No, not that one. A different one. Transformers 3? Smurfs? Puss in Boots. Okay, great. So they're going to see Puss in Boots. Good. That's a great fan movie. Now, so all you guys like that. Hamza's like, "Hey guys, is it okay if I'm like Mustafa?" And you guys are like, "No, boo." Say no. Good, okay. And then say, "We don't want that new kid to come with us." Stay with some more attitude. More attitude. More attitude. More attitude. Okay, good. So, now, right there, guys, okay, they got a choice. They got a choice. Hamza's got a choice. Is he going to make up an excuse, maybe, that say, hey, oh, God, oh, Mustafa, I'm sorry. I got sick, man. I got a bad cough. Oh, man, he's like, oh, man, I got a bad cough. I can't, we just can't go to the movies, okay? And then he's like, as soon as Mustafa's like, oh, okay, and he's like, just pretending that he goes to the movies. Should he do that? Okay. So listen, should he make up an excuse? And then while all these guys are going to the movies, all these guys going to the movies, right? Believing out Mustafa. Let me ask you a question. If they end up doing that, go and see Puss in Boots at the movies, right? Or the Smurfs or something. If they end up doing that, and then Mustafa doesn't find out, is it still right to do it? No! Okay. Now, what do you think would happen if he found out about 2 weeks later what had happened? How would he feel? Yeah. Feel sad? Yeah. Angry? Yeah. Betrayed? Good one. Disgrace? Good adjectives, yeah. Devastated? All those, yeah. Left out? Yeah, go ahead. Very good? Okay, thank you for being honest. Thank you for being honest. So guys, you would feel very disgraced and devastated, not included, left out, if you didn't get to go to the movies with him. But this is really tough, guys, because look at it. You got 10 people here, 10 of your friends telling you not to invite this new kid. We don't want to be seen with this new kid. That's tough to not say no to them. That's tough. It's tough to still be truthful and be honest. But I don't think your true friends would make you choose like that if they were really your true friends. Okay? Give these guys a round of applause. Good job, guys. Have a seat. Have a seat. Anybody want more pop-ups? All right, 5 seconds roll. That's only 5 seconds. Now listen. Listen, guys, listen. Peace. I'm going to do another scenario with you guys. Yes, you, come on up. You, come on up. Right there. Come on up. Yes, you, come on up. If you guys will just stop, put your hand down. Okay? Yeah, come on. Both of you guys. Yeah, come on. Good, you. Michigan. All right. Yeah, right here. You right there. You go ahead. You guys already came up here now. In the pink. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay, come on. Let's use that right there. Yeah. And then blue. Okay, all right. All right, guys. Listen. Peace, man. Peace. Listen. Guys, listen up. Listen, guys, listen. If I didn't get you guys today, then I'll be here again next month, okay? So I try to get you guys done. I can't get everybody. Listen, here's the situation, guys, okay? Come over here with me. Yeah, come over here. Hold this. Yes. This is my pencil. Yes, does it work? Yes, it works. Do I really use it to write stuff? Yes, I do. And to turn the TV on, just like that. Like that. And to point at people and say, no. Sometimes I golf with it, all that stuff. Now, listen. What's your name? Anna. Here's the deal. All of these people here, okay? Come on. Bring it in. All right, here we go. We're family here. Good. Now listen. All of you guys, okay? You're all in the same class as Anna. All right? Now, Anna is very well liked by her teacher. Very well liked. There's a big exam coming up. There's a big exam coming up right now, okay? A big test. And all of you guys are like, well, wait a minute. Anna sometimes on recess helps out with her teacher. All right, sometimes helps to clean the room, do things for her teacher, and sometimes her teacher's not even there because her teacher trusts her so much. So you guys are like, you know what, Anna? Maybe we should try to see if you can give us the answers to the test. So all of you guys circle around her, come on, circle around her. Come all the way around, come over here, come over here. Keep circling, keep circling, keep circling, keep circling. All right, now, you guys go up to Annie like, Anna, I love what you've done with your hair. Say, I love you with your hair. Anna, you are amazing. Anna, we believe in you. Anna, we love you. Now listen guys. If you have almost 15 of your friends crowding around you, trying to make you cheat, trying to make you do what's not right, trying to make you be dishonest and not truthful, do you think it's going to be easy to say no? You think so? Well, that's good. I'm glad you got some good character there. But in reality, guys, I don't think it's going to be that easy. But what should Anna do? Yeah. Just walk away? Yeah, what are you going to say? Walk away? Say no, tell the teacher? Ignore them? Yeah. Say no, walk away? Yeah? Okay. Yeah, what are you going to say? Ignore? Okay, good. Good answers, guys. It's not time to adult. Ignore them, walk away. But it's going to be tough. All right. You guys will have a seat. Good job. Give a round of applause, guys. Good job, guys. Now, so guys, peace. Guys, I remember when I was your age. Listen. I remember when I was your age. I was playing baseball outside my front yard of my house, of my parents' house. We were playing baseball, right? And I was up swinging with my friend who was pitching, and I accidentally let the bat go. It was really slippery. Let it go. It went right through our front window. How many of you guys, put your hands up, have ever said, my parents are going to kill me? Okay. All right. Put your hands down. Now guys, they obviously didn't kill you because you're all sitting here today, all right? Good. Now, what I'm trying to say though is, I tried to hide that broken window for about 2 weeks. I put stuff over it. You know, anytime my dad went in that room, I said, hey Dad, why don't you come over here and help me with my homework or something? I tried to distract him. Now, he eventually found out. Do you think he was more mad 2 weeks later, or if I would have told him right away? You're right, 2 weeks later. He was a lot more upset 2 weeks later. Now guys, it's sometimes hard to tell the truth. I was speaking at a different school the other day, in elementary school, and this kid comes up to me and says, hey Mr. Peace, do I have to tell the truth if it's something really, really bad? And I said, yes. Yes, you do. If somebody's trying to steal something in a store, if you don't tell the truth, there's going to be consequences either way. But if you tell the truth up front, they're going to get in a lot less trouble than if you hide it. I was walking the other day, and this kid comes up to me and he says, are you my daddy? And I said, no, I'm not your daddy. I'm Mr. Peace. And he said, Mr. Peace, what if I find a wallet, kind of like this? Do I have to tell somebody and give it back? And I said, yes, you do. He said, well, Mr. Peace, what if it's got a $100 bill in there? Should I take that and then give it back? He said, no. What if it's $1,000, $2,000, $3,000? I said, yeah, you still get it back. I'm not saying this is going to be easy, guys. How many of you guys have ever heard from one of your friends or somebody said, if you do this, I'll be your friend? Have you ever heard that before? Or if you don't do this, I won't be your friend. Have you ever heard that? A lot of you guys, look around. A lot of you guys have heard that. So you can't tell me that when someone comes up here trying to pressure you, that it's still going to be easy to be honest. It's not going to be. It's not going to be at all. That's why it takes a lot of courage and character and integrity to do what's right. I compare all of you guys to either bowling balls like this, right?
So now I'm the one-on-one here. Just in mom's hair.
Or balloons. Or balloons. Can you go up here real quick? Go up here real quick? Yeah, come on. You right here.
And I can't.
Yeah, yeah.
No. So now we've got 7 kids.
Yeah, can you stand right
I
here?
can assist with maybe.
Yeah. Okay, listen. What's your name? Jack, what's your name? Madeline. Jack and Madeline. They got a bowling ball and a balloon. Okay? I compare people to these guys. I compare all of you to these. If you're a bowling ball, you're solid, you got a lot of character, you're honest. Even if you get pressured by somebody, outside people, it's not going to affect you. You're still going to be there. You got character, right? Now, people that are balloons, I think people that are balloons are empty, right? They got air in them, but they're full of air. And I think people that are balloons, they kind of go every which way, and they just follow the crowd. They follow what the popular people are doing, just so they can be popular. Instead of standing up and doing what's right. Now, what do you think is going to go farther if Jack rolls the bowling ball or Madeline throws the balloon? What's going to go farther? What's your prediction? The bowling ball? All right, let's see. Now listen, don't throw it. Because one time I had a girl, I said, all right, throw the bowling ball. She took it and just threw it and almost broke the floor. But anyway, we're just going to roll it. But you're going to listen. You're going to start at this line, okay? Come on to the line. Oh, don't go over. Right there. Go on to the line. You're going to throw it as far as you can this way, towards the shooting. Sam? And you're going to roll as far as you can, okay? On the count of 3. 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, go. Bowling ball and farther. Bowling ball and farther. Give a round of applause, guys. You guys can have a seat. Thank you, guys. Great job, great job. Madeline, can you give me back my balloon? My balloon. Where'd it go? No, guys, please be honest. I'm talking about truth today. Where's my balloon? What are you talking about? No, that's my second balloon. Where's my balloon? Guys, be honest. Please, guys, we're talking about truthfulness today. Guys, truthfulness today. We're talking about truthfulness. Okay, that's it. All right. Good job. Good job. Now we have a couple more minutes left, guys, okay? Here's the deal. If people see you in school, your teachers, Ms. Quasarano, they see you doing good stuff, and being truthful and honest, respecting diversity, not bullying, all these things, I got things for you guys. I got some hats that I'm going to give her. I gave her some buttons to pass out to you guys, and I got some of my hip-hop CDs, okay? You guys are doing good stuff, and I got some puzzles too, all right? Some really cool puzzles, all right? It's got one person in the middle, which means one person can change the world. That's what it means. Now, we got another song to learn, and I'm going to give her the lyrics to these so you guys can learn these songs, okay? And the words to them. Here's how this goes. It's called Truthfulness, all right? So for the hook, which is the chorus, which is what I want you guys to sing along with me, here's how it goes. Hey, truthfulness, it's what we really need. Yo, we gotta be honest, yeah, that's what we gotta be. My peeps, even though it's not easy, and your friends may dislike you, do it pretty pleasing, cause it's the right thing to do, the truth. Everyone try that with me real quick? Alright, so listen. Guys, that kind of keep going. You guys can play this chorus for us, and we'll keep going. Yeah. Okay, so it's like this. Hey, truthfulness, it's what we really need. Yo, we gotta be honest. my peace, and even though it's not easy, and your friends may just like you, do it pretty easy, because it's the right thing to do. The truth. All right, now let's try with music. Hold on. I want honesty. You gotta be honest, guys. Hey, truthfulness is what we really need. Yo, we gotta be honest. Yeah, that's what we gotta be. Not easy, not easy. And the friends make it fun here. Hey, do it pretty easy. Cause it's the right thing to do. The truth. Hey, because the truth sells. It's common sense that it's the real why. Like it's accident happen. And when you're in the beat, straight up now, tell me, are you really done? Are you truthful? In your life, and it's hot sin. Straight up, come on, everybody. Straight up now, tell me, are you really gonna be so truthful? Hot sin. In your life, and it's hot sin. Yo, just like the thing. You just shake it, you just shake it, you just shake it, you just shake it, yeah, truthfulness. Yeah, good job, guys. Yeah. So guys, I want you to be honest, do some character, okay? Fill all of your buckets up with honesty, because that means we'll trust you more. We'll trust you more in life. I'll be back again next month, okay? We'll talk about some more things and try to do some of your recesses and some of your lunch at school, okay? And spend some more time with you guys. Sound good? Sound good? Alright. Thanks for touching my heart, guys. I'll see you next month, okay? Peace. Peace then. So your 2 years up with peace, you guys want to like that, yeah. Good job, guys. Anybody dance? I have some, yeah, you do? Someone come here and dance? Dance. This is called a pencil dance. Yeah, you dance? Come on, dance.
Wait,